Throughout history, we have unearthed countless artifacts that have helped us piece together the story of our past. But there are some discoveries that challenge everything we thought we knew about ancient civilizations. From strange metal objects found in coal deposits to light bulb-like lamps from ancient Egypt, these mysterious artifacts defy explanation. What if some of these ancient objects weren't simply relics of their time, but pieces of a forgotten, highly advanced knowledge? Today, we explore 10 of the most puzzling artifacts from around the world. Items that continue to baffle scientists and spark debates on everything from lost technologies to extraterrestrial influence. Let's dive into the strange and unexplained, because some mysteries, no matter how old, refuse to stay buried. Number 1. Metal cube in the corner. A metal cube with perfectly straight edges was reportedly found inside a coal deposit, which is millions of years old, raising questions about how a seemingly industrial object ended up in ancient rock. Similar finds, like nails, gears, and even a gold chain, were reported in the 19th century. The most famous is the Salzburg cube, thought to be machine-processed, but later identified as industrial slag. Scientists argue such objects may result from mining contamination or natural formations mimicking artificial shapes. Still, if just one of these artifacts is genuine, it could upend our understanding of history and human development. Some theories suggest ancient civilizations, aliens, or time travel, though none are proven. Most artifacts lack solid scientific verification and remain unexplained curiosities. Number 2. Clock in a Ming Dynasty tomb. When archaeologists opened a sealed Ming Dynasty tomb in China, they were shocked to find a tiny object resembling a modern wristwatch marked Swiss. The burial was over 400 years old, and the object was discovered in a layer consistent with that era. Experts initially suggested it was dropped later, but archaeologists insisted the tomb was untouched. The watch-like item, smaller than a ring, might have been an amulet shaped like a watch, or something modern that inexplicably ended up in ancient soil. Similar puzzling discoveries worldwide, from plastic in ancient layers to tech-like items in tombs, continue to baffle researchers. Number 3. Skull with inserts. In early 20th century Peru, an elongated skull with surgically implanted metal inserts was discovered. The precision amazed modern doctors, as the implants caused no harm to the surrounding bone. Even more puzzling, the metal alloy used was unknown to modern industry. This raises questions about the medical and technological abilities of ancient civilizations. Some believe it's a hoax. Others think we've underestimated ancient surgical knowledge. The mystery remains unresolved. Number 4. Stone spheres of Costa Rica. In the jungles of Costa Rica, archaeologists found hundreds of nearly perfect stone spheres, some weighing over 15 tons. They are arranged in patterns like lines and geometric shapes, suggesting deliberate placement. The precision of these spheres is astonishing, especially since they likely date back to prehistoric times, long before advanced tools existed. Modern attempts to replicate them have proven extremely difficult. Number 5. Lines that are only visible from the sky. In the Peruvian desert lie the Nazca lines, massive geoglyphs depicting animals, humans, and geometric shapes, some stretching for miles. Their full forms are only visible from the sky, yet the ancient Nazca people had no known means of aerial observation. Despite this, the lines are incredibly precise, remaining straight across rugged terrain. The ground appears scorched and smoothed, as if subjected to heat. The purpose of these giant drawings remains unknown. Number 6. Computer from Antikythera. Off the Greek island of Antikythera, divers discovered a 2,000-year-old shipwreck containing a mysterious metal device. now known as the Antikythera mechanism. This complex system of bronze gears and dials could predict planetary movements, eclipses, lunar phases, and even Olympic cycles. Dating back to the 1st century BC, it functions like an ancient astronomical computer, centuries ahead of its time. Its precision rivals 15th century clockwork. Yet no similar technology existed in Rome, Egypt, or elsewhere. How the Greeks created such an advanced device remains a mystery, hinting at lost knowledge or a forgotten breakthrough. Number 7. Golden airplanes of the Incas. In Colombia, tiny golden figurines made by ancient South American tribes resemble modern airplanes more than birds or insects. These artifacts feature wings, stabilizers, and tail fins, details strikingly similar to jet designs. In the 1990s, scale models of these objects were built and successfully flown, sparking debate among researchers. While some claim they're stylized insects, others question how ancient people could include functional aerodynamic features. The mystery remains unsolved, fueling theories of lost knowledge or advanced ancient understanding. Number 8. Papyrus with alien features. The Thulian papyrus, found among Egyptian manuscripts in Abydos, describes fiery discs seen in the sky during Pharaoh Thutmose' reign. The discs moved in formation, emitted bright light, and made noise, terrifying the people. Although the original document is lost, and only a copy exists in the Vatican, its detailed description raises questions about its authenticity. The mention of metal bodies and rays suggests a modern-sounding phenomenon, leading some to wonder if it describes an astrophysical event or something extraterrestrial. The mystery remains unsolved. Number 9. The glowing lamps of Dendera. An ancient object found in Egypt looks like a light bulb, with a flask, a curved thread inside, and a snake-like figure going through it. It sits on a pedestal with cables attached to it. Some think it could be an early version of an electric light, while others say it's just a symbol. When scientists made a model of it, it actually glowed. The problem is, electricity wasn't known at that time, so how could they have known about it? Similar strange objects found in other places add to the mystery. Number 10. An iron column that has not rusted for centuries. In Delhi, there is a 25-foot iron column that weighs 6 tons and is over 1,500 years old. Despite facing rain, wind, heat, and pollution, it hasn't rusted at all. Metallurgists are amazed by this, as the iron is very pure and contains phosphorus, which creates a protective film. This type of metal wasn't known to modern science until the 19th century, so it may be a lost technology. The column has survived many disasters and has been seen as a magical or divine object. Its indestructibility remains a mystery.